Hola chicos, mi nombre es Juani. How to advance your Spanish conversation with the verb haber. Now, give me 5 minutes because this particular tense will really take your Spanish conversations to a whole new level. Previously, we went through using the verb haber as an auxiliary, or in other words, in English, saying what has happened. Por ejemplo, no he visto a mis padres últimamente. I haven't seen my parents lately. Or has ido a España? Has ido a España? Have you been or have you gone to Spain before? Now in today's video, we're going to take a look at a more advanced use of the verb haber in the past tense. For example, había estudiado mucho antes de mi viaje a Barcelona. Había estudiado mucho antes de mi viaje a Barcelona. I had studied a lot before my trip to Barcelona. Cool, so you can see we're starting to really dive into some more complex sentences here, which is really exciting. In English, we're basically saying what had happened. Now, in a conversation in Spanish, this tense is really powerful when you start to mix it with other tenses in the past. But before we get there, let's take a look at the conjugations. Let's start with the yo form. We've got había, había. The tú form, which is habías, habías. We've then got the el, ella, usted form, which is exactly the same as the yo form. Había, había. Nosotros habíamos, nosotros habíamos. The vosotros form, if you are in Spain, of course. And then to finish with habían, habían. Great, now we already learnt in the previous video how to conjugate the following verbs that haber is assisting in this particular case. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link in the description box for you below. And as always, if you are getting any value from these videos, I'd really appreciate it if you like the video and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Now let's go through some examples. Yo había estudiado. Yo había estudiado. I had studied. Or yo había comido. Yo había comido. I had eaten. Or habías hablado. Habías hablado. You had spoken. Now, as I mentioned before, this tense works really well in a conversation when you mix it with other tenses in the past. Por ejemplo, ya había comido cuando ellos llegaron. So, ya había comido cuando ellos llegaron. So, I had already eaten when they arrived. Cool, so can you see how useful that is? All right, let's go for another example. Ya había aprendido español cuando te conocí. So, ya había aprendido español cuando te conocí. So, I had already learned Spanish when I met you. Awesome, I think you're starting to get the hang of it. Let's go for a few more examples though to finish off. Habías reservado un hotel antes de hablar con ellos. So, habías reservado un hotel antes de hablar con ellos. So, had you already booked the hotel before speaking with them? Let's try another one. Ya había visto la película antes de verla con mi pareja. So, ya había visto la película antes de verla con mi pareja. So I had already seen the movie before watching it or before seeing it with my partner. Great job, everyone. So go out there and add this to your Spanish conversations, and I guarantee you this is going to help open up your conversations a whole lot more. As always, if I can help with anything else, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below, but I'll see you in the next one. Hasta pronto.